This is a Maytag dryer. I've had it for over 10 years. And the problem that we're having is, okay, my dryer light doesn't come on. Also when it's running, it doesn't stop when the door is open. And if you look here, this door open switch is broke. It's very loose. So I have to turn it off manually.
If you open the door, you can find a sticker like this with the model and serial number. My model is MEDC 400 VW0, but I found that many dryers are cross-OEM branded and they share the same door open switch. And this is the picture of the broken door switch, and the part number is 3406107.
So I got the 2-day delivery of the dryer door switch. First thing you have to do is take out the link trap. 2 Phillips head screws you have to take out. In between the seams here, you see this scraper gets stuck here. And if you go from this side, so right there where it gets stuck, you want to gently push this in and then pop it open like that. Okay? And I'll show you what that is in a second. So okay, now this will open. Pull out the dryer a little bit. So if you look right there, basically you're going in there to push this in, which will release the top cover, okay, on both sides. Next, let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so it's this that we're gonna be removing. You see 2 more Phillips head screws right there, so we're gonna be removing those, okay? Okay, got both screws removed. Now you gotta come to the top and loosen this. You see these 2 holes? So you need to pry this up and lift it out of the lock to pull this out. This is the old one, this is the new one. Might be hard to see with the light reflection, but this one also says part number 3406107. If you look here, there's a pointed edge. There's a pointed edge on this side. We're just gonna match that. Snap that in. So we're gonna carefully route that switch through that hole. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold the switch down from the top so I can try to screw this in.
2 screws holding the light switch are put back on. Just testing to see that the switch is working now.
Okay, we're just gonna carefully snap this in. That's in. Put the lid trap back in. That's it, folks.